Hello everyone, I am here, video is there. In this special video I am going to show you the pairs of lines. First one is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, as per the name such intersect, where they cut each other, but the cases may arise. First case, when they have a point common, when they have one point in common. A point means one point in common. Case is this. Now let's take an example. See, this is my first arm and this is my second arm, means I have two arms, no doubt. Now in this case, see how I am keeping these arms, where they cut at one point. So this is the first case, means these are two lines but they cut at only one point. Okay, this one. Now second, two lines but they have infinite points in common. Infinite points, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. See, this is first line, you can consider my arm as first line and keep other arm on this, like this. Okay, got it? So where these two lines cut at infinite points. So this is second case, means like this, one line and other line you take on this, like this. Okay, I hope you got it. Now second case is parallel lines. Parallel line means lines which don't intersect. Parallel lines means two lines are said to be parallel if they never intersect each other on both sides. Neither they, like I will take, yes, these are two marker pens. See, these two lines don't meet each other, so it means these two lines are parallel. First case was this one, intersecting lines, they have common point, they have one point of intersection. Second was this, coincident lines, and we call this coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, and third is parallel lines. Parallel lines means these two lines have no point in common. Okay, they go just parallel to each other, that's why we call them parallel lines. So parallel lines have no point in common, so in this case you can say no point in common. No point in common. Example is this, or example is my arms. You can take parallel arms. Okay, and you can draw a figure also like this, or you can draw a figure like this. And you know how to denote the parallel lines? What is the symbol? Symbol is this one. You draw two lines. Suppose this is line L, this is line M. Here you draw this symbol, and this is the symbol of parallel. This shows that two lines are parallel. Got my point? Good. And after drawing these lines, we get different types of angles. Let us see. After drawing pairs of lines, we will get different types of angles. First one is when we have, first case is when we have non-parallel lines. Non-parallel. In this case, suppose if we have two lines like this, these are non-parallel, means these are two lines which are not parallel to each other. Now in this case, if you draw one more line like this, and this line we call transversal. So we have two lines, these are two given lines, and let it be L, let it be M, and let it be N. Suppose you can give any name. Now we have two lines, given two lines L, M, but both are non-parallel. Non-parallel means these two lines are not parallel to each other. And after that, we have drawn one more line on these two lines, and this line we call transversal. After drawing transversal, definitely this line means transversal cuts other two lines at different points, and here we got angle. Suppose angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there is a relation between these two, these angles. You know what? Like we have brother sister relation, father mother relation. Okay. Similarly here we have a relation of these angles. What is that relation? What we call them? See, this angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. We call them corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means angle 1, angle 5. See, I will make the figure also once again. this angle and this. These two angles we call them corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 2, angle 6 corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 4, angle 8. Okay, one inside, other outside. So angle 4, angle 8 corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 3, angle 7 corresponding angles. One more, what is that? If you take 4 and 6, angle 4 and angle 6, angle 4 comma angle 6, what is the relation between them? Means what type of relation they have? 4 and 6, they are alternate interior angles. We call them alternate, like sister brother. We call this is brother of this boy, is the brother of that girl. Similarly, we have the relation here. 4 is related with 6, and what is that relation? We call them alternate interior angles. What? Alternate interior angles. So these are alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 3, angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Got my point? Good. And these are two important types of angles. One is corresponding angles and other is alternate interior angles. And one more important thing, if needed, if I will tell that also. Angle 3, angle 6. It's not visible here, so I will make it here. I'll make it here. Okay. See, this one and that one, angle 3, angle 6. These two angles are on one side of the transversal. This is transversal and these angles are on the one side. Okay, we call them co-interior angles. These two angles we call co-interior. Means angle 3, angle 6 are what? Co-interior. Okay, co-interior angles. This is just a relation. I will repeat. Angle 1, angle 5 corresponding angles. Angle 2, angle 6 corresponding angles. Angle 4, angle 8 corresponding angles. Angle 3, angle 7 corresponding angles. Good. So how many pairs of corresponding angles are there? 4. Now alternate interior angles. Angle 4, angle 6. Angle 3, angle 5. These are two pairs of alternate interior angles. Now one more. 3, 6. These are co-interior angles. Similarly 5, 6. These are co-interior angles. Here I will tell you one thing. Because we are going to do one more part of the same, that is parallel lines. In case of parallel lines means when these two lines are parallel, then these angles are equal. Means angle 1 is equal to angle 5. It means corresponding angles are equal. In case of parallel lines, that is part B. Non-parallel lines is part A and part B is parallel lines. Means in case of parallel lines, when L is parallel to M, then these angles are equal. Which angles? Angle 1, angle 5 means corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal, and 3 plus 6 is 180. Means this one, angle 3 plus angle 6 is 180. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is 180. Means co-interior angles are supplementary in case of parallel lines. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.